creator economy is no more a new phenomenon. It's all around us. Globally, the creator economy is expected to hit $500 billion by 2030. And guess what? This space is dominated by women creating on platforms like YouTube, globally and in India as well. An EY report says 70% of the content created on social media today is by women. And this content spans genres from beauty and lifestyle to gaming to finance to education and entertainment. Women creators say it's no longer a challenge but an advantage to be a woman in this field, more so if one gets to work with other women.
People may have a misconception that women cannot work together. I think we work the best together. We've been doing this for the last 10 years. It started off with the both of us. Now we're 7 women all together working and managing everything. Managing classes, managing content, managing
marketing, social media, finances.
Everything. Right?
Also, one understands the other person. Like in the sense that if someone is, not able to do something because of whatsoever reason, the other one, covers up. Yeah, they step in and they do it for them.
I think it is a statement in itself. We are trying to prove that women together are a strong team, and it's also kind of the bond we share as women, the comfort zone that we have with each other. You can't have that with a co-ed team.
The women creator economy is also going beyond just content creation into entrepreneurship. Many of these women are today using their digital fame and presence to build and scale successful businesses. And in most cases, these women are wearing multiple hats. They are more than just presenters or even content creators.
We started off honestly on YouTube only to market our dance classes. Okay, and what happened to be a marketing gimmick turned out to be like a full-fledged career for the both of us.
From just teaching in a class in Mumbai, in Bandra, we could scale up. We now are teaching all over India. We have taught abroad, all over the world. We have students who are coming to our online classes from every part of the world. So this wouldn't have happened if YouTube wasn't there.
Right.
Honestly, you know, we would be very happy in our circle, and there's nothing wrong with that. But we could scale up to another level.
We've learned a lot of things along the way, being an artist is not just one thing, it's so many things, like you said, finances, oh my god, I really struggle with numbers.
We all were in our individual music journey, so we had to be the business person for ourselves.
Right.
So we did learn little things along the way, but in being in Wish and having this amazing team, like Suchi said, we're learning a lot more. In the sense of how the scale is. We were learning, individually, okay, our finances, our thing, but in terms of brands and the future prospects, with the team, we realized there's so much that actually goes behind an artist like Wish, and it's just been a whole learning journey, and it is quite complicated and difficult, but it's been a lot of fun.
More than just a job, it doesn't start at 9 and end at 5.
Right.
It is
The growth in the use of smartphones has not only given women a level playing field, it's allowed them access to create content from any part of the country or the world. And the success of these creators is inspiring several women to push the boundaries.
I would like to add on that it's not just little girls that come up to us, older women as well, and they feel empowered looking at us, and they're I wanted to dance like y'all.
Yeah, and they're I'm just so glad that y'all are following the dream, because back then I don't think they had the freedom to, and now that we are breaking the stereotype and coming out there to perform and follow our passion, they're very the old people, they actually come to us and they're I'm so happy for what you're doing, and I hope you continue with this. That's a blessing, and that's the biggest blessing we could get.
How sweet.
And I've heard a lot of mothers also tell my kids love your dance. She always watches, saves them, and tells us can you teach this? And so it's
An EY report pegs influencer marketing to be a 3,000 crore plus industry by 2030. This means that content creation can become a viable career option for many women looking to claim their space in the digital world. And platforms like YouTube are leaving no stone unturned to capture this booming opportunity. The message is loud and clear.
Will I fail? What will happen? All this, I have heard this a lot. So I feel like if you have a plan and you think you are really passionate about something, give it your all and give it your best shot. Whatever happens after that, at least you know you tried your best.
Right. Yeah. The women of Team Now, just want to tell all the women out there, if you have an idea and if you have a plan, just get like a supportive system for yourself and go for it and just do it.
Even if we're in a world that puts obstacles in your way, we are kind of trying to show everyone that it doesn't matter and you can hop over it. And even though it's there, you can still, like, if you put your heart and soul into it, you're gonna get whatever you deserve.
I like to think that our music has the same message. Like, for example, Lazeez, which was our debut single, you know, Main Si Cheezon, it was kind of like taking back the narrative. Like, it doesn't matter what anyone else says, but it matters what you believe about yourself.
If you continue to do it without stopping, I think continuation and persistence and like just keep going, don't stop is the key.
Right.
If you're facing any challenges, any obstacles in the way, you will overcome them. You just gotta pull through and just go for it. Go achieve your dreams. Go do it. We are doing it and you can totally do it.
In Mumbai, Shilpa Ranipeta.
Make informed decisions with comprehensive analysis on the go.
Strengthen your portfolio with real-time market updates on the go. Create effective strategies with insightful expert opinions on the go.
Grow on the go with CNBC TV18, now streaming live 24/7 on YouTube.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV18 on all of our digital platforms.